So we're heading down to the gym. The gym is right there, and we'll see you there in a second. Hello everyone, I'm Christian.
And I'm Tracy, and we are Tumbleweed RV Life, coming to you from
Cabo San Lucas. So this morning we actually woke up with a cruise ship in the harbor, and it was just after sunset. We were editing video till 2:30 in the morning. So we got a late start. So we started the time lapse. Since then a second one has come in, and I don't know if you can see it right now, but there's actually a third one coming in, so the time lapse is still running. So this morning, what are we doing, Mama, this morning?
We are doing abs in the gym because Mama wants to hurt Papa. And Papa is going to put a link in the description somewhere up here for my channel. My channel is a health, fitness, lifestyle, vlogging channel. Whatever comes to my mind, it's on there. So check that out.
Yesterday was quite a long day. I hope you enjoyed yesterday's video where we went into Cabo. We took the little bus. We showed you some of the friendly people that like to kind of see what you're up to, and that they could help you out with any activities. Really, they're trying to get you to go to a timeshare presentation. So that was hilarious. And then we walked around towards our little $20 massage place right near the Monkey Business Bar. And we kind of highlighted some establishments along the way. So that was fun. We had a great day. We came back, went to our little favorite restaurant up here at the top of the hill. At the top of the hill up there.
You're not gonna see.
Yeah. And anyways, have a look at that. I'm sure you're gonna enjoy it. And we'll just put a card right here for right now for that. So today is gonna be a quiet day. What are we gonna do today, Tracy?
We are gonna do the beach day. Relaxing on the beach.
Relaxing is definitely in order today. We're just gonna mellow out. So come on with us. Let's go have some fun. So this is our relaxation on the beach this afternoon. We're just spent a little bit of time in the water, soaking the sun, and now we just thought maybe we should plan what we're going to do here for the next 25 or so days.
And address the comments that you guys leave below.
So far, Travel to Eternity left us a number of comments. I imagine Travel to Eternity, let's call her a she. It's a her. If I'm wrong, let me know.
In the comments.
In the comments. She suggested that we go to Santa Maria Beach, which is that way. That way is San Jose, and that way is Cabo. Todos Santos is where Hotel California is. So we're going to spend a little bit of time in Todos Santos. There's a great little brewery there. There's great shops, art galleries. And so we are going to stop at Hotel California and take a little bit of video there and give you a little bit of historical perspective. Also suggested Baja Cantina.
Yes, and Baja Cantina we know very well.
So Baja Cantina, we need to try the quesadillas, we're told. So we're going to try the quesadilla. We have not done that. No. So we will try the quesadillas. And then we suggested Oficia Pueblo Bonito Sunset Beach.
Well, we were discussing it this morning. Is that not beside where we got married?
That's right. It's just further in. It's over the rock, just west of. It's on the Pacific side, just west of Cabo. It's kind of hard to get in there. I think you need to know somebody. There's a gate you have to get through. But just before Pueblo Bonito is Petrogal. And that's where we actually got married, January 16th, 16. We're actually going to give you some information, links below. Our wedding planner was amazing.
Amazing.
Cabo is an incredible wedding destination. You can have it on the beach, you could have it in a big resort. It could be a big budget, small budget, but a lot of people just love Cabo as a wedding destination.
A little shout out, aloha,
To
Christina.
So we will put her website into the description notes. And at a future video, once we deal with, we kind of take you and show you where Pueblo Bonito Sunset Beach is, we'll post a little bit of snippets of our wedding video and some of our pictures on the beach. It was a great day.
Awesome.
It seems like yesterday, 2016.
It does.
Time is flying, and that's why we're doing what we're doing now, because we don't want to wait till it's too late.
Enjoy every minute of your life, guys. Enjoy every minute. It goes by way too fast.
That is very true. We're in our kind of early mid-50s, and we're not going to wait till we're 65.
No.
We're not capable of retiring, but we're setting ourselves up so that we can earn income as we go. We're going to take the steps to be happy today. So let's talk a little bit more about some of the things that we thought about. We thought about going down the corridor to San Jose, time allowing, spending a little bit of time showing you the quaint streets. San Jose is more of an older, more settled, more artsy gallery, restaurants.
So. Yeah,
whereas Cabo is more the party bar, you know, thump, 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 go all night.
Yeah.
So we'll show you the contrast there. From San Jose, as you go north, we're gonna go to La Ribera. We have some friends there that we actually met 1 year. We went and drove a two-wheel drive Suburban onto the beach and got stuck. And we met a beautiful couple that live.
They live there.
In La Ribera. They bought a lot and built a house there. And we check in on them every winter. So we haven't connected in the last couple of years. So we're gonna go meet with them. We're gonna go up to La Paz. Actually, we're gonna do that tomorrow.
Yes.
We bought 2 lots. We own I think they're 1/4 acre. They're half acre. So
Half
1
acre.
acre completely. We have 2 lots. It's basically an 8-lot subdivision in the middle of, I call it Cactus Wilderness. There's nothing. There's nothing around. It's 20 minutes north of Todos Santos on the beach road, not on the highway. So 5 minutes out of town, the road turns into dirt. And then 10 minutes out of town, there's no more houses, it's more the odd farm. And so we're 20 minutes out, there's nothing out there, it's pretty. We're gonna go check out those lots. We're actually thinking of building some RV lots out there as part of Tumbleweed. Just for winter, it would be very low, basic water cistern, septic, and maybe a little bit of solar. Really low key, but it's going to be more rustic. I wouldn't say boondocking, but it's going to be low service is our plan.
Yeah.
Low service, low cost. So we'll go show you those lots. We'll do that little trip. We'll show you the beach just 5 minutes down. We're only about less than a mile up off the beach. Cerritos Beach. Yeah, well that's part of, that's just south of Todos Santos.
Yeah. That's a beautiful beach. You can just walk. It's so flat. It's not like this at all. It's not rough. You just keep walking into the ocean. It's just, we'll show you. It's really beautiful.
Yeah, if anybody's been to Hawaii.
That's the way, that's what reminds me of that.
It's got the same soft sand and it just gently slopes out a few sandbars. It's really nice.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
And it's a swimmable beach.
It's definitely swimmable.
Because here in Cabo, so at the point, at the arch, anything east is Mar de Cortez, and a lot of places are swimmable. As soon as you get past the point, that's the Pacific, and that unfortunately has strong undertows and you cannot swim. Cerritos Beach is actually a beach where you can actually swim. There's no undertows there. There's a couple of spots. There's also some surfing locations. We're going to try to get to as many of these as possible.
Well, we welcome and would love to hear more from you guys. Put your comments down below and give us some suggestions. Whatever you want to see, we're up to it.
Of RV facilities and sites and grounds and places to boondock in southern Baja, please put them below.
Please.
Yes, absolutely, because this is going to be our life. It's going back and forth. Summering in Canada, November hitting the road, hitting our bucket list in the US on the way down, and wintering in Baja. So we'd love to hear from you. So if you like this video and check out our other videos, please subscribe, hit the little bell,
And comment down below.
Absolutely. We'll see you on the next one.